Today we're looking at 20 questions on encumbrances. 20 questions on encumbrances. Hope you do well on your real estate exam. If you find this content helpful, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button. It's free to do so. It helps us in the algorithm and gets our content out there so others can do well on their exam. So here we go. Which of the following is an example of an encumbrance on a property? A, property tax, B, zoning ordinance, C, easement, D, deed. Answer C, easement. An easement is a right to use another person's land for a specific purpose. What is an easement in gross? A, an easement that benefits a specific parcel of land. B, an easement that benefits a particular individual or entity. C, an easement that restricts the use of the property. D, an easement that allows unlimited use of the property. B, an easement that benefits a particular individual or entity. An easement in gross benefits a specific individual or entity rather than a specific parcel of land. Which type of encumbrance allows a creditor to place a claim against a property to secure a debt? A, easement, B, lien, C, covenant, D, restriction. Answer B, lien. A lien is a claim against a property to secure a debt, such as a mortgage. What is the purpose of les pendants? A, to convey property ownership. B, to provide notice of pending legal action. C, to establish a right of way. D, to create an encumbrance. B, to provide notice of pending legal action. A les pendants provides public notice that a legal action is pending affecting the property's title. Which type of encumbrance is associated with the right of a utility company to install and maintain utility lines on a property? A, lien, B, easement in gross, C, encroachment, D, covenant. B, easement in gross. An easement in gross allows a party, such as a utility company, to use another's land for a specific purpose. What is the primary characteristic of an encroachment? A, a voluntary agreement between parties. B, an unauthorized intrusion onto another's property. C, a recorded legal document. D, a claim against a property. B, unauthorized intrusion onto another's property. An encroachment occurs when a structure or improvement intrudes onto another person's property without permission. How can encumbrance affect the marketability of a property? A, it enhances marketability by providing additional rights. B, it has no impact on marketability. C, it may reduce marketability by restricting the property's use. D, it only affects the property's tax assessment. C, it may reduce marketability by restricting the property's use. Certain encumbrances, such as restrictive covenants, may limit the property's use and impact marketability. What is a covenant in real estate? A claim against a property. B, an agreement between parties to do or not to do something on the property. C, unauthorized intrusion onto another's property. A right to use another person's land for a specific purpose. An agreement between parties to do or not do something on the property. A covenant is a promise or agreement between parties regarding the use or restrictions on a property. Before we go on, once again, just go ahead and hit that like button if you like what we're providing here, and also go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Thanks. What is the primary purpose of an affidavit of title? A, to transfer property ownership. B, to provide notice of pending legal action. C, to confirm the accuracy of the title information. D, to create a lien. C, to confirm the accuracy of the title information. An affidavit of title is a sworn statement that confirms the accuracy of the title information. How does an easement opportunity differ from an easement in gross? A, an easement opportunity benefits a specific individual or entity. B, an easement in gross benefits a particular parcel of land. C, an easement opportunity runs with the land. An easement in gross cannot be transferred. C, an easement opportunity runs with the land. An easement opportunity is attached to the land and transfers with the property when sold. What is the primary purpose of a property survey in relation to encumbrances? A, to identify easements and encroachments. B, to establish liens on the property. C, to create a lis pendens. D, to convey property ownership. A, to identify easements and encroachments. A property survey helps identify easement, encroachments, and other potential encumbrances. What is the effect of a restrictive covenant on a property? A, it enhances marketability by providing additional rights. B, it imposes limitations on the property's use. C, it creates a claim against the property. D, it establishes a lien. B, it imposes limitations on the property's use. Restrictive covenants impose limitations on how the property can be used. What is a common example of an encumbrance that limits the height of structures on a property? A, easement in gross. B, lien. C, zoning ordinance. D, restrictive covenant. C, zoning ordinance. Zoning ordinances often regulate the height of structures on a property. How does an easement differ from a license? A, an easement is revocable while a license is not. B, a license is a right to use another's land for a specific purpose. C, an easement is a personal privilege while a license is a property right. D, an easement allows unlimited use of the property. C, an easement is a property right while a license is a personal privilege. An easement is a property right while a license is a personal privilege that is revocable. What is the primary purpose of a title insurance in relation to encumbrances? A, to transfer property ownership. B, to provide notice of pending legal action. C, to create a lis pendens. D, to protect against title defects and encumbrances. D, to protect against title defects and encumbrances. Title insurance protects against defects and encumbrances that may affect the property's title. What type of lien takes precedent over all other liens on a property? A, property tax lien. B, mechanics lien. C, mortgage lien. D, first mortgage lien. A, property tax lien. Property tax liens generally take precedence over other liens. How does an easement affect the servient estate? A, it benefits the servient's estate. B, it imposes restrictions on the servient estate. C, it creates a claim against the servient estate. D, it allows unlimited use of the servient estate. B, it imposes restrictions on the servient estate. An easement imposes restrictions on the servient estate for the benefit of the dominant estate. What is the purpose of a mechanics lien on a property? A, to provide notice of pending legal action. B, to secure payment for labor and materials. C, to establish a right of way. D, to convey property ownership. B, to secure payment for labor and materials. A mechanics lien is placed on a property to secure payment for labor and materials provided. What is the effect of a property tax lien on a property? A, it creates a claim against the property. B, it enhances marketability by providing additional rights. C, it imposes limitations on the property's use. D, it may result in foreclosure for non-payment of taxes. D, it may result in foreclosure for non-payment of taxes. Property tax liens may lead to foreclosure if property taxes are not paid. How can an easement be terminated? A, through a court order. B, only by mutual agreement of the parties involved. C, by recording a lis pendens. D, automatically after a certain period of time. court order. An easement can be terminated through a court order, mutual agreement, or other legal means. Well, thanks for viewing our video. I hope you're going to do well on your exam. Once again, please subscribe, hit the notification button, ask any questions in the comments below, and give us that thumbs up. It really helps us out. Good luck. Take care.